Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Emus Pro. So today I want to show us how we can add a thumbnail to our YouTube video. So first of all, you have to be having a YouTube Studio or YT Studio on your phone. If you don't have it, go and download it on Play Store or Apple Store. So you click on that YouTube Studio, you go on the video you want to add the thumbnail. For instance, my second video, how to go live on TikTok, is the video that I want to add a thumbnail. So I'm going to click on the three dots you see on the right corner of that same video and go where you see edit video. So it's loading where you see edit video. Yes. So here you see there in the bottom left corner, the upper bottom corner, you see where I've tapped. So I'll go, there is download thumbnail, then custom thumbnail, the one that I want to add that is in my gallery. So for instance, it is my screenshots. I go, as you see, I've already downloaded it or I've already made it. It's here, screenshot 2020 watt. So I'll go and click in it. So I'll put in a position where I want, I adjust it. Then I press yes. Then after there, you see the save button on the upper right corner. There, yes, you click on that save button. After they will say edits are saved. As you see, my thumbnail has gone there. This thumbnails makes you to brand your video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Emus Pro for more educative videos. Thank you.